testifying here against this bill today during Women's History Month. And yes, I am here to talk about the women. It is ironic that I'm here because when we should be celebrating women's achievements and how far we've come as a state, instead we are once again being forced to plead for women's basic reproductive rights. How insulting to the women of Iowa who remember what life was like before Roe versus Wade. Before Roe versus Wade, 1 in 6 deaths related to pregnancy or childbirth was the result of an illegal abortion. Today we've come so far that abortion is one of the safest medical procedures in the U.S. And yet this care and these women, the safety of these women, is still up for debate.